Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Finally we have got our hands on to latest device from Oneplus, which is Oneplus Nord CE, also called as Core Edition. So this is the Indian retail unit which I have purchased from oneplus.in. If you guys want to purchase, link of that will be given in the description below. In this video we'll do a quick unboxing of Oneplus Nord CE. Oneplus Nord CE comes in 3 color variants. One is Blue Void, Charcoal Link and Silver Ray. Right now we have the blue color variant, and on the box you can see MRP is mentioned 24,999. Before starting with the unboxing, let's quickly take a look at the hardware specifications of this Oneplus Nord CE. So this is a quick overview of the hardware specification. Device comes with Snapdragon 750G 5G processor, and we have 3 variants. The base variant starts with 6GB of RAM followed by 8GB and 12GB, but on this latest OnePlus Nord CE we only have 2 storage options. One is 128GB variant and the second one is 256GB variant. Battery capacity on this device is 4500 mAh, which supports warp charging 30T+. Device also comes with triple camera setup. The main camera is 64 megapixel with the aperture of 1.79. Second one is ultra wide camera of 8 megapixel with the aperture of 2.5. And the third camera is 2 megapixel with the aperture of 2.4. And at last front camera is 16 megapixel with the aperture of 2.4. Screen size on this OnePlus Nord CE is 6.43 inches, which is 90Hz AMOLED display. And as you all know, it's called 5G device, but we get to see only single band. Let's not talk about this single band. There are other tech YouTubers who are already speaking about the same. Now let's talk about the box content. As soon as you open the box, you'll get the first look of OnePlus Nord CE. And as I said, we have the blue color variant. After that, we have the charging brick along with the Type A to Type C charging cable. I personally felt OnePlus should have added Type C to Type C charging cable. Then you also get to see one case inside the box, which normally OnePlus provides with all their devices. We also get few paperwork like quick start guide, safety information, red cable club card, Nord stickers and SAR value information. And at last, SIM rejector tool. Here is the device overview. I like the purple edges with this color variant, which gives a premium look, though the device is completely made up of plastic. In-hand field of Nord CE is pretty good. This is the first smartphone from OnePlus which doesn't have alert slider, and I don't have any kind of issues with that. As other OnePlus devices, many times it accidentally used to switches between different modes while keeping the phone inside the pocket or taking out. Towards the right hand side, we have power button. Bottom side, we get to see single speaker with Type C charging port, a mic and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Device comes with a single speaker, but the audio quality is well balanced. And I seriously don't understand why few tech YouTubers are so excited about 3.5mm headphone jack. After buying this device, I personally have to purchase a headphone with 3.5mm jack. Almost all other brands have removed the headphone jack. I don't see any use or benefits of adding headphone jack. It would have been considered a good addition if it was a high-end device which was meant for gaming, where people would have been able to charge the device while gaming. So for me, it's a useless addition. Towards the left hand side, we have volume rocker along with a SIM rejector tool, and on the top a single microphone. So here we have booted up a device which is OnePlus Nord CE. Out of the box, device was running Oxygen OS 11.0.1.1, but we have received an OTA update which is Oxygen OS 11.0.3.3, which brings few system optimization and improvements to camera. In this video, we are not going to check the performance of the device. For that, I'll be making a dedicated video on gaming test, where we'll get a fair idea about the performance of the device, and that I'll do after updating the device to the latest build. I haven't used the device much, but I felt slight frame drops while using the OnePlus Nord CE. But there were no lags to be seen yet. UI is quite smooth. Huge thanks to Oxygen OS. Another drawback of this device is visibility in outdoor conditions or under direct sunlight. I don't feel screen brightness is that great when we use the device in direct sunlight. So I feel there might be an issue using the device in outdoor conditions. But let's see if OnePlus can optimize this thing with the software update. Also, haptic feedback is too bad on this device. It's too softer and feels like I'm using my OnePlus 3, which is a 5 to 6 years old phone. And trust me guys, haptic feedback is that bad that I have to completely turn off if I'm using this device as my primary device. Fingerprint unlock is also not that fast what we have seen on our other OnePlus devices. As you can see here, it takes a bit to unlock the device. But face unlock is fast enough, and I don't have any issues with the unlocking device using face unlock. Though fingerprint unlock was a bit slower on this OnePlus Nord CE. We get to see Google Dialer and Google Messaging app pre-installed on OnePlus Nord CE. and I'll try to do a dedicated video on side loading the OnePlus stock dialer and stock messaging app. Color and contrast are really good while watching videos. Now let's talk about camera. And I personally feel camera is doing a good job here. Picture quality and colors are produced pretty well. Portrait mode with front and back camera gives good result in depth effect, but in edge detection I found bit issues. But as I said, I'll not be judging camera and performance part at this early stage, because these two things can be optimized within software update. But overall, camera is doing a decent job. Slight issues can also be seen in focusing objects. But let's wait for few more updates and will give my final inputs in the complete review. So stay tuned for that. And guys, if you have any kind of questions related to OnePlus Nord CE, then do let me know in the comment section below. So this was the quick unboxing and overview of the OnePlus Nord CE. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.